Kigina giki ikiuga giti kwejanwa na njira iria batere. Gikundi kimwe kuma Nteto South kuga gikaigi karentore kiri kurura giti kia governor 2027. County Commissioner Meru Jacob Ouma kuwa bakairutanira kurwana mbogita Meru akiromba nto kuba gwa tambaru kirengo geje. Morin criminal monanirio mathithio tukobwana arua. Mukari umwe wa Meru na andikirite rwangi rwa kurwana ungumania aja nthigurune ni ACC akenda munini wa gavana Mutumanto Ithingia guchunkunwa kuringana na baruga ira tuonete mukari uju arendekithie Mutumanto Ithingia guchunkunwa nuntu bakwamukira muchara na marupurupu jangi gwankurukia mwaka ati obisine arana ndekinya ACC ukurwa kujukia mbeche jichionthe mukari uju kuringana na igamba rira rikitio kotini nene aja Meru na gutana mbere gukurukira barugeje kwendekithia kinyobisieje etikamukagire mbeche cha kumitithia na mbere rugono ruru ruthuraniri ni Martin Gichungedula.
Mtomora ni mukari wa kaunti ya Meru na ikitie gamba koti akienda rwangirwa kuraitha mitugo na kurwana makarika jankukumo ACC akienda rwangirwa guchunkuna munini wa gavana wa kaunti u na ntubo kiria kuga ni kuri wa muchara ateritete ngugi
cia maana ni yana mwana ereko kaende
kiri gamba riri riria rikitwe koti nene ya Meru ni mtu guchita KINYUA athitangite Mutumanto Ithingia gavana wa Meru county secretary kiambia theru ACC na obisi ya mudhuji budget ya thirikari.
Kaunti hii ni moja ya zile kaunti ambazo tume ya ACC inachunguza.
KINYUA riromba koti kudita watho kiri ACC guchunkuna Mutumanto Ithingia nontu bakuri wa muchara na marupurupu jange na kinya akienda mutuma achokia mbeche ici na gitumi atetaga ikarone bia kanjo ya maminista ya kaunti. Mberio nejo kiumia giki county secretary kiambia theru na andikira mutuma baruga akimurikana yate na atirire ikaro 12 bia kanjo ya maminista na ateje ne itumi kuma mweri 11 mwaka muthiru na kiria kiathingatirire ni miari ya gavana Kawira akiuga ati barabate kuonwa obisine chao na ni aritinguge ba county bationa michara miario yerekerete munini uju wawe na maabisa botungata bo mwiri
ndene ya thirikari yetu ya kaunti ya Meru kethira nuitaga ngugi kaunti neje no ria gwa mushara na kaunti ya Meru. If you don't work we will not pay you. Now turunga miau and we have no apologies. Toriuga no work no pay. If you don't work you should not be paid.
Mukadi ujo wa Meru ora wikitie gamba riri nkuruki na kwenda koti eje kudita watho kire county secretary kendarita mutuma mucharene na mpwe akiuga ati kire nyuma ya kwandikira mutuma baruge iguru regie gutira michemani eje guti machokio aeja na jaitomi bia gutira ikaro biu kire thitango iji KINYUA ariuga ati kurega gwita ikarone bibi Mutumanto Ithingia na unite gichunje kia 179 gia katiba kiria gikumwendethira ari ikarone biu. Nkuruki na thitangite Kawira Mwangaza akiuga ati gutitaga ajukie kinya nyuma ya munini wawe gutira michemanio gwa kagita kamwaka jumwe na gutitaga ya mujukiria ariuga kwithira mutuma ati gwita ikarone bibi ni gutejaniria ngugi yawe na ati kuu ni umwe na kuruma antu bara babaringire kura bo bairi.
Honorable Reverend Isaac Mutumanto Ithingia
muthitangi uju ariuga weja mukari wa Meru na kuigwa kioto kiawe kiuni nontu atithirite akigwata utungata bwawe buria ini gichunje kia bire gia katiba ya Kenya na nontu munini wa gavana atithirite akirita ngugi yawe ni kuga ati na mutejaniritie na guku kuringana nawe ni umwe na mutuma abutire ngugi na kwa ukinya muchara na marupurupu jange ati batere kuewa
kuona muchara kana kurea kuona muchara eute anjenda ira tubatire kwithia tukiariragia ta Meru nonto mbuga 98% ya Meru bari Meru batethera be mucarene.
Arienda Kinyua obisi ya murungamiri wa budget cha thirikari kwewa watho bwa koti kenda atigetikiria gukurukia budget cha obisi ya munini wa gavana, akiuga ati mutuma ni umwe na achieberie gitine nonto bakurega gwita michemanio neji
na kambwe ye kwa teisho kwariria mucara nonto ibaba inge barungamitwe micara ndene ya Meru County
kia gwetera nandi ni mwerekera ja koti iguru rigie maromba jaja ja mukajuju wa Meru na we gavana Kawira agietera ria were antariki 18 kumenya kethira akamba gwetera ugambi bwa koti ariome kana agieta na mbere gutungatira Meru ta gavana nyuma ya Senate kurikithia uge bwa mbunge ya Meru bakumweberia gitine. Masindumba, Nteto cha Weru TV.
Kamiti ya Bursary ward-inĩ Kĩgũ ya Ntobochu nĩ meneretie wejani wa kĩgina kĩu bakiuga bisawa ward-inĩ wao gũkĩeja na arĩ wenka baruga na ndĩa kari baria bakagi otethio babati kuorota bisawa uju nuntu nĩ njogu ekirethia kuringana na ward administrator wa Nteru Melon Kageni na aregete mitaratara ire batere kuthingatirwa aria nandi bachiebanitie na wejani wa kĩgina gĩkĩ. Dennis Mugendi na report yeja.
Ni akamiti ba Bursary ba wandi ya Kĩgũ ya Ntobochu gĩconeke ubunge kia Igembe South na mageni jaria bari najo ni batewiritwe ni Kageni murungamiri wandi ikweja na Bursary na kimenyo ati bathikiritie kana kubathingatira na nandi abaguceura kire na kwira akariboria Kageni mantu jonthe
undi membo kamite Bursary na ikankwenda kwira akaribetu bakio ya Ntobochu wandi eti Bursary cietu ira cia allocate cia milioni 3 kuma 2023-2024 mwaka yoyo athira utesiana betu bona ni tuweta tokaranthe a committee to approve to wana baibone wanda admin Kageni netere asensia asore bake na mwaka yo Bursary cio kumira mheshimiwa allocate milioni 3 wanda admin wetu Kageni netere wengwa kwake mucie ikuofindira Bursary rakaera na bake ba sore bake na sheria iri watire kamiti yo batere kuona antu baraba kwewa Bursary nontu yo isi antu bara antore nontu mumembo kamiti representing tura fulani yo kumya mwana batere kwewa na ote batere kuona nontu yo meana baraba beno batu
to diso ni the whole exercise batu ya kamiti te batu mantu yabo kuona bore akaribake yo yantu bochwand turenda bomenye to agarire nde to amwa lakini mwayani ne wandi admin tuwere membo mo kamite thira ari ogenda Bursary iri kya kindi ni ke laptop we transmit na arambere akikisho bwana bara twayanire nibo bona Bursary lakini gutombekere antu bare betere bayitha na bauto ithile baretere baya na Bursary abo bakwenda ende turenda kuwa nibo baye nete kamite
enda kwenda kwira bonga musiari Kĩgũ ya Ntobochu wandi oritere ciringi 30 ciake na aura form ire Bursary wona mwana ogwa tayo Bursary Tirima Madam Kageni wa admin aramulika akwire ina mbeca ire MCA na balokitire milioni 3 cia Bursary na kila mtu ena right ya kuona Bursary mukari Kĩgũ ya Ntobochu wandi na ofisi ya thirikari umetumira kiucori makosa
gintu ya NTINYARI ninte kumenyete ibo gwithara wandi ingi aini kwa twikara mpanga twatererwo yo wandi admin eikie tumikia tumire nyengo kitine ke director no ntobontho na mantu ange ya mainge yari yayo
tuthikiritie Kageni nawe macoki jawe nijo jaja na riuga ndakaija cio tumirwa gisiasa
fomu ici kwirerwa ici wikirirwa nyumba kwa muci nyumba kwa ofisi ciekirirwa ya ofisi ne sub county na staff ya sub county nuko meko twekirire na bauba kutheta bakiwa ici wikirirwa muci itekirwa ofisi ne nte kuma interest ya oimbi na last time turi bathania form bathithire na bathithiri ba mesere acio so no tunkorea form ciakwa cia mesere apio this time round ikiciukitie mururu yo mwingi na itetongwa ikathiria ngwenda cituma kwa department urokenda wita kuthiata na kathiate no alafu oroka ibwateaniri inditero mwana omora mpete mbesa oteo Kĩgũ ya Ntobochu ward ibethera bari involved kigwaya na kwa Bursary na ibarare involved kaba ukitie thine siasa na orokenda kuona form cionde cio ofisi ne sub county be bachione nyoire na ndau arenge Bursary Kĩgũ ya Ntobochu ward itolewe siasa tote siasa ene itare kuringa siasa ya 2027 tokinya omuntu akamenyekana kala sisi ora ringa siasa bwana lakini ngoye kwa muntu nakinye leni yake mtu akanyange leni yake ketho ditangwe kwa MCA kanyanga leni yako na MCA ketho nditana kwa gavana weta mtu okinya leni yako ingwe nkorita na naheshimu kazi yangu na merita with a lot of respect na diligence onte kwenda kwa kuthokirwa ngoye kwa I know boga kutheta nau kwa bo berete ethio na twakuthia Bursary lakini kwangu takanyanga na hiyo kwa kwambia atete sheria ere bateri kwendere reo
Dennis Mugendi Weru Njuma wandi ni akego ya Ntobochio Igembe South County ya Meru.
Kundi kimwe kia karia mwana atongeria kuma South Imenti batongeretwe ni George KINYUA ni mukaririgito wa vuguvugu ndi batumiretia kugwata mbaru ura wari minister wa urimi mithikali ntore kujuka giti kia ugavana kithurano ne twitite bogete bari na wirigiro Amiro Bakagu ne kabukatha ntore ajuke giti kiu bakiongera na kuga bakuringira kawira kura kithurano ne kithuru na atejaneria Meru buru kire mirandi ya weti na mbere.
Bamoye bakari na tongeria bagishigo mbunge ke South Imenti bala bashumirite bunene gwikirora urari minister worimi mithikari nturi bakiuga niwe bakagite kionga bana siasa ne cha mwaka wa 2027 bakiuga kuringana ura bamuthimite wene turire na mbura na ni wori na katharia kuthereria Meru itiga kurita bakiuga ni bonete kiguni kinene kwa miankere aritere ngugi ali waziri wa urimi
twataka tuona kwi matujera kwa jaja kaura na jaja tegetate ya jatiura kwi matutu tegete tuone nyaja kamuntu akamutia teteka jatiuma roji indi atongeria bokarande bathoja pataka bona kwiroro kwa ina mpara antu beka ira chuburia metwe nuo litiri antu chuburia antu bathugania nuo thithirie uju nuo tumire tuketha mpembe menya imutu jo tumire tutho na meretwe na antu betu na twataka tuona mwana wetu Meru gwito mithikari nturi uathiririe mpara Kenya akanengerwa kaunti ya Meru tutirwa anga ng'ombe ikuiwa anga mbie kuriwa anga twana tukura anga mbie gutemangwa akagithomo gitikari mithikari nturi atwitithia boga na tugeta muzuri kwa unarwa gatwetikaneria muntu ule tukaumagaria mapema na asubuhi ni mheshimiwa mithikae kawera mwangasa na haru atongeria ba South Imenti ba kuona ndaweku itoramenyere bwaku itoronere ume bwaku utoraga gweta wajo kamata milioni egana rimwe waania waku weta gwakira ngino murega weta gwakira mami oku wakira ari onyakwe wachoko karuma milioni 3 ukagura motu na mandi buti ukeyokera anto mukono juu kaende ankwenda kwera Meru na arua wewa mukono juu milioni egana igweta na arua wewa kaende milioni magana yeri igweta na arua yatongere ba South Imenti ora Meru augire ogachiara mwana ogwonka kiara atumero churuari nene njare kauma moromo eke gwatera churuari na ina arua tongere ba South Imenti tukweja gotumera churuari nene njare kugethera kauma moromo na churuari na era tweya nayo ireto mithikari ntore
kurukini akari na tongeria baraba umirite kawira mwangaza bakiuga ko wathani bwawe na tejanire gicigo mbunge ke South Imenti ala baugite ndira bamuthurite mwankene jwa 2022 ni bari na wirigiro bunene akabaritira ngugi
toije mama agatuteria ende mama na tutejanirie bajo toka akaria nyongo agwataga akiara mtu wonde eta into bibi bionde ibya Meru county kabye bya bantu beto twarokire rokire kwa muthura tha kuminejera kurubate kundete chai ende narua twega tukurira ukajithia mwana otuko kaithia mwana oku otuko ukoge anticipate wira kwa kagure tutokagura mwankare tutiombaka tuthura mithikari nturi tuone thega gatwika ikia kinya riu ringi
kwibanga gite kia ngavana nontu ngavana uri ku jawe kawira Mwangaza na aremi ngugiewe
tema auga Southiment in bedroom wewe lakini ugeta nkobwarea no ngaturenga mbuti ara kwa meta mtu ezaga jokia akagara marinya na rujo rwa ruri au tema hiyo si ni aibu aende Kawira Mwangaza aende Kawira Mwangaza aende Nteto lakini tweregerete barabara zi Southiment na ruankobo egoji ndarene gabakorera weja mantone ya roje hoteru ira sibira to ije bya isindi bigakwa hotebyo sibitari ya to ije sigakwa constituency gakwa sibitari kansa na ndaoma sibitari yetu rebotu na rebodirici ekerwe hakuna anto beto kaba gokwe goro tutinde todikana Kawira Mwangaza intobia mero bio kinyamuiche gitara kubiworete ibikonganete bilioni 4 igere iwe tomerete ikonganete na eto koreterete mede karentore na Southiment yonde raugana kana neta bogabwe wote kana getorete mede karentore sukuru igasoka nara gotena stime igekirwa na yange daktari bakande kwa ana beto baba kwenda gwicuri kwa ngoge bakande kwa nonto kwa Kawira no remero kuandikana
Mudiene kinyane bonene kugwata mbaru wakiri Mugambi Manyara korora gitegyo seneta
Mugambi Manyara na ugete hau eterete kuringana igite gya seneta igitigi wasi jume kathuri muronge kugya tamaya gitigi ngabana anto ba Southiment ibaugete muntu wa kerekia yeteke Southiment utonge bakuona ni Mugambi Newton Manyara
Mageshigo mbunge kya Southiment nke report rateto sha Weru Juma reakwari eto ne mutuge kare
County Commissioner wa County ya Meru na Ithatu mukana kirima chibo baraba ombekia kwithirwa bagi kabira antu baraba gwitithia na mbere biashara cia mbogita na mono nchobi ndegeni watho akiaria kiriki omano kiragi kubanganitwe ntereti ya bothgochi West kenda kwa mataro aritwa barathiririe form 4 Jacobo Uma ugete tathirikari ni bakwirutaniria gukinya muthia utumiri bwa nchobi ije iria yethete baba ingi nkombo muthuri Muriuki na Chionkoroke.
Commissioner Meru no Jacobo Uma agwite kuna tongire pa thirikari pakotho bagitikire kunenkirwa mbesha ndikena ndawa cha kulebya amana nchobi chitho ikendo maturene akiwa ntububu bwega alititia chantere cha muthangene sentimenti abothukuchi West kikuthorano kire kurete taritu amwe ndikena bomba kwewa kirira kimanto ya mathomo na kinyamuturire.
Leo ako chifu katika eneo Meru County ambaye ni ibilisi. Fedha za wanabangi yeye ndio mwanzo anameza. Pesa za wanaolisha watu tubondi hiyo ndio kazi yake kumeza. Wahalifu wanaosafirisha bangi yeye ndio mwanzo anameza. I want to challenge you. You have a very difficult situation. Wewe umezaliwa hapa, unaishi hapa, haubanduki. Mimi kesho utasikia yule bwana amepewa regional commissioner amekwenda na mniombee amepewa amekwenda. Wewe uko hapa, hata uwe chifu uko hapa. Itakuwa vipi kijiji chako kesho utakuta watu wanakaa vikaragosi, wengine hawawezi kulala juu ya kitanda, wamepiga mtindi mpaka magoti yamekwisha, wametoa dimbi nje kama mapepo ya kuzimu. Tuangaliane, mimi nazungumza. You are an assistant chief, a sub-location. Watu wanakunywa pombe, tubondi, kila kitu, huko tu.
Amana bubu, edwa keja na mukana, kila tongire baba, akibero keja kuwa kumoa kagwatwa, chuma eriko.
Itakuwa vipi bangi kwa kijijini? It's a very simple question. Itakuwa vipi bangi inauzwa na mtoto wa fulani, na assistant chief ako pale, area manager ako pale, na haijulikani? Ama mimi ndio napagawa? Rafiki yangu, labda mimi nimeharibika kichwa. Nikianza kupoteza akili razini, mnionye mapema. Na ole wako, ewe naibu wa chifu. Ole wako chifu. Ole wako ACC. Ole wako afisa wa polisi. Ole wako kamishna wa county. Kama wewe ndiwe chanzo cha mihadarati kuzagaa na kuangamiza vijana hao.
Okay, kigomano giki atongire mwanyamanya bandura betho bakithurwa bara baketho bagitethania mabica ba thirikari gutike ruti mwana nyomwe arate kithomo nontu banda wa chembogita na mitugo ingi.
So narwa group eu tukoronji kevirenji inyanya ira chini ndene ya area muthangene apo west na initiative tukuthogania kendelea bwega muno ikenda tumbo kusupportiana betu. Istoshe twina plan ya miaka juju ngi twitite twina gikundi getu kingi gitawa IDF Imenti Development Forum ituthithitie ICT Center Kathiranga kenda yumba ndiriana baba yoride tukibathira mentorship na tukabambiria kubonia kwa introduce ke ICT kenda baendelea na mbere kwithira ba busy na kuba mentor into a good citizen na kenda bomba kumenya the best way na ku develop career yao na bomba kuendelea mbere
na twetekaniria twinthe that we will say no to kugari to drugs and substance abuse otebangi otekibondi na tukanya aturi batwira batekwenda jago kona mbai chiko thima nchobiji na jago gutema bondi na mbi so to the community around aja tuiboga muno na tuendelee kwementa na baba.
Let us take charge. Chiefs, this initiative is noble. I put it tick 100%. Shikaneni na watu muwasaidie so that we work within the law. Ndio kusiingie fitina kwa sababu mimi najua watu hawataki vitu vinavyotengenezwa, wanataka vitu vya kuporomosha.
Anaskimaita umo mutongiriro kwa ikomano giki etho kuntu bubu nebu centrament etho kiagia.
So I think this is what has been missing in our constituency, kind of missing in our leadership. I think youth ubarirwa we have been able to break back muro naracho badre kudajuri. I think now the stream will be able to flow for now because ikora na kanga youth batamenya what to do. You just finish school, you just sit, wait whether akubanga na achia. Now they are being told it is upon them kuibangira. Na tisa maingi atuge that's the kind of leadership that is required now and in the future. Iba mono ki the steering committee na inyacha mano simbio iba mono ko didiri anto beto ba kaderi na anto ba west. I think the rest of us are challenged. Ni kenda tombo take up the initiative, ni kenda tombo te dianto. Atu giving back to the community. This is the right thing. Teko nengana ila tuindo kidogo iko te diana beto bomba wetandere.
Aiketo kuga we are very grateful to organizers by this day. Na ndi mwana ageta akimenya madhara za drug abuse. Mwana ageta akimenyaga important ya talent yewe nora yombo mutethia maishene akiumaza akamenya career progression na aretete emwerea objective ena chio kana vision ire nayo kire maisha
muthuri murioki wori juma mutirijo kangangi
tana mbera kurumira Nteto chetu nchokerete nyume kagitagate kuraja na Nteto nkoroke.
Kambuni yetu ya Rhino Mabati egwethete maguriko gwithie kugwithia kiri mabati jonthe. Kenero ofa yetu special ya factory kiri mabati jonthe ja tile profile za Germania tile, Jamii tile, Espana tile, Jamii tile na Roman Jamil tile gauge 28 made ara maguricha gwete kuma magana jana na 120 mwanka magana mugwanja ja 45 wa kilomita, gauge 30 made kuma 680 na ndene 625 for meter na gauge 30 glossy kuma 575 na ndene 499 ake. Okenda mbeshe cia kuciurire guru ja toye murangi turiongire na arua ukenere offers cietu nawe momero akiuga murojo na inchoni ukuruva mwato aja Rhino Mabati twethire tutugikuthondekera mabati kwa miaka nande na tutakuringa nthi turiongire industry yetu ya Rhino Mabati irere kithoka njire ya Meru gweta Ruire kana turingire thimu namba 0729 628199 kana 0740 229609 weka order yaku. Ukareka ofa ya nusu mwaka igukuruka. Ameru ndewerere mbere ng'ombe gekaragwa. Rhino Mabati, mabati jeto tokarie bieto. Rhino Mabati, do it best on top.
Highlands Group of Schools no skuru ya kiwango kia guru ira iri na arimu bara moroto jao ni gutigira mwana oku ari na moritanu ja magiru jareza kamutetheria ntukone cianyu mene itu ibangite bokung'ana kire kurikiria mutaratara jo CBC na arimu betu iberitanite kwa mwana oku kithomo gikiega na kinya mawega jangi kire ko curricular na kinya extracurricular activities itwezanaga ukamatikire arito betu na mandereba betu iberitani kumenyera ana bwega njirene kire baraba gutonya JSS mweri jwa January 2025 itubadhuganiretie Highlands Group of Schools nitukubugwata ugenikire branch yetu ya Kinoru January 2025 chiomie ni untu uzukania bwa January butite na mbere ni untu bwa Nteto nkuruki turiongire obisine chietu kana uturingire dimu kire 0796 349 859 kire Meru campus kana 0720 411 554 kire Timau campus. Highlands Group of Schools, better future for your child starts here.
Aya, amna go TV stream? It's free.
Hii Krisi, sherehe imejipa na Go TV Stream. Stay connected to enjoy Go TV Stream on the go. Visit gotv.stream to sign up and start streaming. Sherehe imejipa na Go TV Stream. Available to active subscribers. Go TV. Love it.
Gikundi kia Imenti Development Forum IDF nigitite nambere kugwatania na antu bangi bawendi bobwega kuingia moroto jwako jo gukiria ntere na antu baimenti kenda bachokara baturaga tene rujo ntuku Jumamosi ntariki 7 cha mweri jwa Disemba mwaka jojo 2024 akiamba bagikundi giki kia IDF bakagwatania na Akristo arimu achiari na ritoba MCK St Matthew's Child Development Center kidhima ntere cha maili 7 kirwa na reward bori kirimambura ja kuthambecha cha kugura into bya kwambiria Imenti Resource Center kidhima maili 7 Resource Center eji ikiethirwa Arena Trading Center, Youth Center na Digital Library mambura jakambiria thaithano cha muthenya bwinthe ni bugwati ugeni tugwatanire ithithianirera kiwiti na mbere mwathani na kutharime ukithuranira kweja amen.
Bagigwita na mbere kurumira Nteto chietu Minister Rebecca Miano ni umo wa baria bakinyite gukungwira gwekirwa thumbi kwa ritwa skuru ni University ya Tharaka kere kiri mambura jaja no ritie mbewe bithi gutumira umenyo buria bamukirite skuru kenda kuthegeia moturo jao.
Ikiathi gia gwikirwa nthumbi kwa ritwa nkurukia 700 ndene cukuru ya Tharaka University muthenya gwemthi kiathi kiramugeni oiteyo akuri waziri wa utari Madam Rebecca Miano.
Government is gravely aware of the critical role educationists play in shaping the future of nations. Kenyan educators are no exception. The government is therefore actively working towards addressing issues affecting university education, including improving compensation and working conditions for lecturers and other staff. The overall aim is to ensure our universities remain beacons of academic excellence.
Miano gikatha njurwa cionthe cia mwanka wa 2024 nuntu bagombani bonene bura bekirite mathomoni.
I am extremely delighted to note that of all the graduates today, 40% are gracious ladies, while 60% are gentlemen. And a shout out to all the ladies graduating today, noting that 2 ladies to the Vice-Chancellor's role of honor.
Here today to celebrate the graduates specific who are going to get some certificates not too long from now. Innovative programs strategic partnerships established so far and the sustainability efforts will demonstrate the commitment that you people will go out with.
Chancellor wa cukuru no Professor Latemo Mishieka nakathite cukuru no nontu bagombani na ugaruruku bonene bura baruthite kinyoke gwa bari gontu komo na rio ari nene.
Universities are bedrocks of knowledge creation, talent development, and societal advancement. And Tharaka University is one of those that is now growing in vibrancy, both resource rich. Being in the Tharaka Nithi County, we are poised to play a leading role in shaping Kenya's social economic transformation.
Tharaka University, with its specialized programs in dry land agriculture and mining, is a national treasure in matters of sustainable development and economic progress.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kumantere cia Tharaka, mbite wa Paul Ogwakabithe.
Arito ankorokie gana rimwe 35 ba cukuru ya urigitani ya Clive nibekiri thombe ntuko ya Narua nyuma ya kuthiria mathomo jao. Tungatiri bwega bwaje ni kimwe kebira binyiritwe bunene kiri mambura jajajaraja imbiri na baba ingi bantu.
Kiatho gia gwikirwa nthumbi kiaritwa bondagitari na nkinya urigitani ba cukuru ya Clive kiri cibitari ya Chogoria muthenya we munthi bukinyite gacumbiri.
I shall endeavor to work with other team members in the provision of health care and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. So help me God.
Tongoria na nkinya njorua cio ndagitari na nkinya ũgima bwa mwĩrĩ ciĩkinyĩtie kĩathoni gĩkĩ kũbatara na nkinya kũbanenkera mataro mwanya mwanya.
Soon enough there are going to be statesmen who are going to provide and women who are going to provide care to people in need of a special touch that only a qualified person can provide. You do so as professionals equipped to make a meaningful and lasting impact on the well-being of individuals, families, and the broader community. The skills, knowledge, and values you have acquired here will serve as a foundation for your careers. As you step into the professional world, I urge you to uphold the values and ethics we have instilled in you throughout your journey. As one of you mentioned, always remember the clarion call of this institution and that is caring with love.
Gilbert Mutembei mukariri gĩtĩ wa mbondi ya cibitari-inĩ ya Chogoria kũrĩ ũmwe wa ageni bagĩtĩo bara bakonenkanagĩra kĩrĩra igũrũ rĩa ũruti wa wĩra kĩrĩa aritwa baba.
If you go, one thing as graduates I will tell you, if you cry out there, you cry alone. If you succeed, we will celebrate with you. That is when we say that success has got many fathers, but if you fail, you are no fan. Nobody will be associated. We will say that we just blame you.
Aritwa baba bagwatĩte kanya ga kũgwata mataro kĩrĩ mũtaramu wa manto mandagwa Ndeni Mirelu.
Living a positive attitude attracts opportunities around you. Have a clear vision and clarity of what you want in life and never accept you have limitations or listen to naysayers. Define your own success and put specific actions that you need to take through careful planning. Your attitude matters. It will deny you things, it will learn you things in the workplace and in the world.
Mirero wa gitara aritwa baba ribera mĩtugo yao nĩ abatakĩrĩ ũruti wa wĩra.
The principal reminded you on the need to keep your character. Please, if you lose anything, if you decide to lose anything, lose it, but not your character. Because this, if you lose this, then all will be gone. I have seen young nurses who have become unemployed, and they cannot be employed by anybody because they decided to follow the wrong path. Please, keep your character.
Kiripotera Weru TV kuma gĩcigo mbunge kĩa Mara. Mbitagwa Mateni Mogambi.
Rais Ruto nekirite kirorero aria rogai bwa mbeca kirima county bile jigatetheria kirugai bwa kigina gatagati ka thirikari chama county na njira iria itinyiria county Kinyeri kuringana na Josephat Nanok rore ruru choketwe kiri rais nyuma yawe kwendekithia ruchoka kiri mbunge Senate kenda kuthithirwa mogaruruko.
Bill was sponsored by Senator from Mandera, Captain Ali Roba, who is also the chairman of the Senate Committee on Finance and Budget.
This state ceremony is convened pursuant to Article 115 of the Constitution to facilitate the presidential assent to the County Allocation of Revenue Bill 2024, Senate Bill number 25 of 2024. Upon the presidential assent, this act will provide for the horizontal sharing of revenue among county governments, thereby enabling the equitable distribution of resources across 47 counties. Your Excellency, this bill returns to your desk for presidential assent following your earlier referral of the bill to the Senate for reconsideration pursuant to Article 115(1)(b) of the Constitution. The Presidential Memorandum of Referral was transmitted to the Senate on 10th July 2024 and had been necessitated by a revenue shortfall arising from the failure to enact the Finance Act 2024. Sir, in light of the subsequent amendments to the Division of Revenue Act 2024, and with both houses of Parliament having now fully discharged their legislative mandate, Your Excellency, as the head of state and government, is graciously petitioned to exercise your constitutional prerogative under Article 115 to assent to County Allocation of Revenue Bill 2024.
Thirikari niongerete ukaria rutere rwa Eastern Kagitene kaka kathigunko kenda kurwa na agagia kiaria kamishna wa rutere ruru Paul Rotich ugite mabisa ukaria bongeri na aria kumba kumira wa agagia kenda ukaria anto na intobiao. Waroje engineer Eric Mugana ataririte gute county yumbete gukinya antware anto batumba kuria utumira baroje akiarie engineer Mugana ongerete na kuga county chonze ni batere kwirutaniria kenda kunyia wenyange baroje nzikurone aretie jaja hari county ya Kisumu akiruguria mibango ya roje Lake Victoria South Water Works Development Agency ya mwaka 2023 mwaka 2027.
Na Devon Water is still a great challenge nationally, according to the Performance Impact Report number 16, released in the year 2022-2023 by the Water Services Regulatory Board. In this region, the average NRW is around 60%, which is way above the national average of 43%. In the last 3 years, 4 key priority projects, which I will name, including Kericho water supply, Oyugi's water supply, the Siaya Bondo water supply, and Homa Bay water supply have been commissioned. These projects have contributed immensely to the improvement of health and living standards of the people. Devon Water is still a great challenge nationally, according to the Performance Impact Report number 16, released in the year 2022-2023 by the Water Services Regulatory Board. In this region, the average NRW is around 60%, which is way above the national average of 43%.
Minister wa Reranwe Eden Duale nombita kwethirwa akiuga na thirikari ikamurika na njira ya ndende na kujukiria tagaria ririto ukambuni yonthe ire kuthithe into ende gataruko guntu gutiagirite ta merene na kungenete na mbere na kuwa kinya kambuni cia kwojania ruko na ndikiendeka kuthagiro ire na baruga ya gwitikiria kuthithio ntububu kenda gutigira ni bakuthingatira mawatho ja gutaruko na njira ire kubatara.
So these regulations provide guidance. They
they provide procedures, and they provide standards for environmental governance. So we must have environmental governance to ensure we comply with waste management. If you go to any of our counties, they cannot pinpoint to you where is their dam site. No. So all the garbage that is collected is either thrown in rivers, is thrown in open places. You have even seen trucks driving in front of you, pouring waste. I want to assure this committee that will end. I am ready to be more unpopular than the late Michuki, because somebody has to do it. And I have told the governor of Nairobi that we will talk to the garbage collectors, both private and the ones contracted by the county government. Number one, the vehicles they use must be vehicles that are designed to collect garbage, and they must be fully closed. So we will not license you if you don't comply with these regulations going forward, if the Senate and the National Assembly delegated committees agree with us. So the transporters, the waste treatment and the disposal sites, as well as the transportation of the waste, will be a key priority for NEMA. Honorable Chair, the regulations will also provide restrictions on the disposal of waste and provide that no person shall dispose hazardous waste on a public highway, street, road, recreational area, or in any public place except in a designated waste acceptance. And we are going to shame, those who destroy the environment. We want to sustain the utilization of the sand resources. We don't want our sand to be used in such a way that we lose that resources. And secondly, we want good environmental practice during sand harvesting. The guys who do quarries, now there's a law that after you finish whatever resource you're getting from the quarry, you must regenerate that quarry. The same will happen with those who do sand harvesting. That yes, you're a Kenyan, it's a Kenyan resource, but you must do it within a very good environmental practice. We want to maintain a register of sand dealers, receiving and determining proposals and requests for presentation by the ward sand harvesting committees. The local community where the sand harvesting is done must have a committee. They must be in charge of their resources. You'll find somebody from Nairobi is controlling the sand in Garissa, in Kitui, and he doesn't come from there. So we want to create, this law is creating what is called a ward sand harvesting committee. The committee, the local people must say, no, this is where our water catchment is, don't touch this sand. Because most of the time they harvest from our dry rivers. And at times during the long rains or during flooding, it creates a problem for the people.
Actually, sand that is constructing the entire Meru County comes from Naraka. And you know we have had a lot of problems. I think my people have been exploited for decades. Now that we have these regulations in place, we are going to make sure that we manage our sand harvesting correctly, and I'm happy that these regulations have found their way to this committee.
Muthijatona njire ndikuibwaga ntuba na kanya kugwatanira nao nitucemania kairi ntukia rojo kiri Weru weekend tanambere okenera mipango Weru TV mbitagwa Ntinyari KINYUA mwari nkirimi no kari monanirie we Thaa Ithatu.